Good morning, students. Yet another class. Today we will be doing what? Today we will be doing uh, goodwill second part. Goodwill second part we will be doing today. Now, in this part, I will be teaching you super profit method. Super profit method I will be teaching you now. Now, what is this super profit method all about? Super profit simply means which is excess profit. Excess. Excess then what? Excess then normal profit. Suppose a firm, because of the dint of its good name, is earning more than the normal profit, then that extra profit is known as super profit. Suppose one example, Hindustan Unilever Limited is earning 20%, whereas other FMCG goods are earning 12% interest, 12% profit on the capital employed by them. So 8% extra profit which they are earning is nothing but super profit. So it is nothing but average profit or actual profit minus normal profit. Then only super profit comes. If super profit comes, then only we can calculate goodwill. This is through super profit method. We will be learning by doing sums. Let's understand. The excess of average or actual profit over the normal profit is called super profit. So super profit is average profit minus normal profit. Super profit methods steps are what? We have to first calculate the average profit or actual profit if not given. Then calculate the normal profit. Normal profit is the capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. Normal rate of return will be given in the sum. It is the return of other firms in the same industry. Calculate super profit, that is average profit minus normal profit. Then goodwill is super profit into number of years purchase. This super profit with number of years purchase method. There is one more method that is coming under capitalization method. Super profit calculation of average capital employed. Calculation of average. How to calculate that average capital employed? Because normal rate into average capital employed is normal profit. In order to get the normal profit, we have to know capital employed. There are different ways to get capital employed as given in the sum we will use. It can be opening capital given, closing capital given. We will just add both of them and divide it by 2. It can be through one more method in which free reserve is given, fictitious asset is given, and capital is given. Then we will add capital plus free reserves plus minus fictitious asset. Free reserves can be said as reserves and surplus also. Or it can be also found out from asset approach. All assets other than goodwill, other than fictitious asset and non-trade investments, fictitious asset and goodwill, we will not take, and other assets we will all take, minus outside liabilities, all the liabilities. So whole asset minus the entire liability left with is capital. These 3 are the methods by which we can find out capital employed as given in the sum. We will be doing it. Let's understand goodwill on super profit method by doing one sum. From the following information, calculate the value of goodwill of Messrs. S.A. A 5 years purchase of super profit. Information are given. Average capital employed rupees 10 lakhs. Net profit or loss from the past years is 16 60,000, 17 1,90,000 is the loss, 18 4,60,000 is the profit, 19 2,70,000, and 2 lakh in 2020 2 lakhs is the profit. If nothing mentioned, that means profit. Normal rate of return is 10%. One more way is given. Asset excluding goodwill is 11 lakhs and liability is 1 lakh. You see, excluding goodwill minus outside liability 1 lakh. So again, capital employed is coming 10 lakhs, though it is given over here. Either of the 2 will be given in the sum. In this sum, I have given both. Both are coming 10 lakhs only. Let's do the sum. Average profit, first of all, we have to do because actual profit is not given. Now, average profit, whenever I am finding out, I am adding all the 5 years and divided by 5. Remember, in the last video also I told we have to always take the latest years. So see, first I have taken the latest year, 2020, 2 lakhs, then 2 lakh 70, then 4 lakh 60. Loss is subtracted, then plus 90, the furthermost year. Divide by 5, we get 1,66,000 is your average profit. Net profit is 1 lakh given. Normal profit is given 1 lakh. Given, or you can find out also normal profit. Normal profit was not given in the sum actually. It was to be found out. It's given how? You have to find out through capital employed. Capital employed was 10 lakhs. Now into 10%. If you will do this one, you will be getting your normal profit. So super profit is average profit minus normal profit. That is 66,000. 1,66,000 minus 1,66,000. Goodwill is given 4 years purchase of super profit. 4 years purchase means into 4 years to do. Now 4 years purchase means for the next 4 years also the company is going to earn profits. That's why 4 years purchase. So when we are multiplying, we get the profit as 2,64,000. This is your goodwill through super profit method. That is purchase of super profit method. One more sum. From the following information, calculate the value of goodwill of asset at 5 years purchase of super profit. This is also purchase method. Net profit is given 2 lakhs. Normal rate of return is 10%. Assets excluding goodwill is 11 lakhs and liability is 1 lakh. That means total capital employed is 10 lakhs. Normal rate 10%. So 10% 10 lakhs is 1 lakh. Net profit of the firm is the actual profit you can say, which is 2 lakhs. So you see, capital employed as already done. So it is coming as asset excluding goodwill and liabilities. This 10 lakhs. Normal profit is 10% of that. That is 1 lakh. Actual profit 2 lakhs. Super profit is 2 lakhs minus 1 lakh is 1 lakh. Goodwill at number of years purchase of super profit. So 1 lakh into 5. That is 5 lakhs is the goodwill in the second sum. Next sum. Again 5 years purchase informations are given. Normal rate of return is 10%. Capital, see how to calculate capital over here. Capital over here given 8 lakhs, reserves and surplus 2 lakhs and other liabilities 1 lakh. We have to ignore other liabilities. Both these items, capital and reserves are given. We will add, it is coming 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs 10% is 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the normal profit and actual profit is 2 lakhs. Same thing again, normal profit 10% of 10 lakhs, that is capital employed was 10 lakhs into 10%, that is on normal rate of return 1 lakh. So we got super profit 1 lakh again. Actual profit was 2 lakhs and normal profit is 1 lakh. Therefore, goodwill will be number of years purchase, that is coming 5 lakhs. Now this is your homework, students. From the following information, this is the homework you will be doing and showing it to me. It's more or less similar sum. Hope you have understood and hope you will be giving me the sums solution. Okay, you will send me the solutions. Okay. Last day one student has sent me, it was quite good sum. He has done. Well done. Okay. Now one more homework is there. 2 sums homework. Both of them you will do. Next, we will be doing the next class next day. Thank you, student. Thank you.